profit and revenue profit. Dear students, today I am going to tell you about what is the capital profits and what is the revenue profits. Capital profit. When organization sells its assets more than book value or issues shares and debenture at premium, it is known capital profit. Assets sold more than book value means at profit. Share issued at premium means capital profit, and a debenture issued at premium means capital profit. It occurs only when fixed assets are sold or capital raised. It means capitalized profits occurs only when fixed assets are sold or share is issued or debentures are issued. Generally, it is shown in liability side of balance sheet. Suppose BG Traders has an old machine value 80,000. It sold this machine for rupees 1 lakh. Look here, book value is 80,000 and cash value is 1 lakh. So here capital profit is 1 lakh minus 80,000 is equal to 20,000. Some other capital expenses are profit on sales of fixed assets, profit on sales of investment, premium on issue of share and debenture, discount on redemption of debenture, forfeiture of share, etc. These are the main capital profits. Now go for the revenue profit. When organization sells goods or provides service at more than purchase value, it is known revenue profit. It means every organization sells goods at more than purchase value. So as on, every organization provides service at more than cost. Operating expenses are less than book value or of cost of goods sold. Revenue profit occurs due to efficiency of management. If management are excellent, in such a condition, revenue profit increases. Dividend is paid to shareholder from revenue profit. That means the dividend are paid to shareholders at revenue profit. That means every year when company earn profit, out of the profit, some portion of the profit are distributed to shareholders as dividend. It is shown in credit side of trading profit and loss account. That means revenue profits are shown in credit side of profit and loss account. Some revenue profits are sales of goods at more than purchase value and provide service at more than hired value. So students, now go for the differences between capital profit and revenue profit. Basis, capital profit and revenue profit. Nature. Capital profit does not occur in normal business operation, but revenue profit occurs in normal business operation. Distribution. Capital profit is not distributed to shareholders as dividend, but revenue profit is distributed to shareholders as dividend. Use. Capital profit is used to adjust capital loss. Balance transfer to capital reserve. Revenue profit is used to distribute as dividend and creates capital and general reserve. So, it is shown in asset side of balance sheets as capital reserve. Revenue profit is shown in credit side of profit and loss account and liability side of balance sheet as retained earning. Dear students, after learning the chapter, if you have any confusion, you should write down on comment box. Thank you for investing your time. If you like the video, turn black like button into blue. Suggest me on comment box. Subscribe my channel and help me. Thank you.